quinoa, amaranth, and purple corn, which have become increasingly popular worldwide due to their health benefits. Quinoa, for example, is a high-protein grain that's often used as a substitute for rice or pasta in Peruvian dishes. Amaranth, another ancient grain, is used in bread, porridge, and desserts. Papa a la huancaína is another traditional Peruvian dish that features potatoes and a creamy sauce made with cheese, chili peppers, and milk. The dish is often served with boiled eggs, olives, and lettuce and is a popular appetizer or side dish. Chupe de camarones is a hearty shrimp soup that's popular along the coast of Peru. The soup is made with shrimp, milk, eggs, potatoes, cheese, and chili peppers and is often served with rice. Peru's cuisine is also influenced by its Chinese and Japanese communities, which have brought their own culinary traditions to the country. Lomo saltado is a stir-fry dish that features beef, onions, tomatoes, and French fries, and is thought to have originated from the Chinese community in Peru. Nikkei cuisine, which blends Japanese and Peruvian ingredients and cooking techniques, has also become popular in recent years, with dishes like tairedito, similar to ceviche, and maki acavachado, sushi rolls with ceviche filling. Overall, Peruvian cuisine offers a unique and diverse culinary experience that reflects the country's history, culture, and geography. From traditional dishes like ceviche and ají de gallina to the use of indigenous ingredients like quinoa and amaranth, Peru's cuisine is sure to delight food lovers around the world. From traditional dishes like ceviche and ají de gallina to the use of indigenous ingredients like quinoa and amaranth, Peru's cuisine is sure to delight food lovers around the world. Peru is known for its delicious street food, which is a big part of the country's culinary culture. Here are some of the most popular street foods you can find in Peru. Anticuchos. As mentioned, anticuchos are skewers of marinated beef heart, which is a staple in Peruvian cuisine. Anticuchos. As mentioned, anticuchos are skewers of marinated beef heart, which is a staple in Peruvian cuisine. The dish is said to have originated in the Andean region of Peru, where it was traditionally made using llama meat. Today, anticuchos are often seasoned with a blend of spices and grilled over an open flame until they're tender and flavorful. They are typically served with boiled potatoes or corn on the cob. Ceviche. Ceviche is one of Peru's most iconic dishes and is a must-try for any foodie visiting the country. The dish is typically made with fresh raw fish, which is marinated in citrus juice for several hours to cook the fish without heat. The acidity of the citrus juice also helps to kill any bacteria in the raw fish. The ceviche is then typically served with a side of sweet potato, corn on the cob, or plantain chips. Churros. Churros are a beloved dessert in Peru and are often sold by street vendors throughout the country.